Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whiteboard and doodle animation videos have become one of the most powerful tools for businesses, educators, and content creators because they grab attention instantly and simplify complex ideas and keep people hooked till the very end. Whether you're running ads or making YouTube videos or teaching online or promoting a product, doodle animations can skyrocket your engagement. But here's the problem. Most people who try to get into doodle video creation face the same struggles. They either find the tools too complicated or too time-consuming or too expensive. You start off excited to create a fun, professional-looking animation, but then you hit roadblocks like limited templates, boring graphics, slow rendering, or worse, hidden costs that keep draining your wallet month after month. And this is exactly where the big question comes in. Which software should you actually choose to make doodle videos easily, affordably, and with high quality? Two of the most talked about tools right now are Doodly and InstaDoodle. Doodly has been around for a while and has built a decent reputation, but is it still the best choice today? And on the other hand, InstaDoodle is a new-age AI-powered tool that promises to deliver speed, creativity, and value like never before. So, in this video, I'm going to do a detailed comparison of Doodly and InstaDoodle and also breaking down their ease of use, features, pricing, value for money, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer on which tool is worth investing for your doodle animations. So let's get started. Let's start with Doodly. Doodly has been around for several years and quickly became one of the most recognized doodle video creation tools. When it first came out, people loved it because it solved a very real problem. At that time, making doodle videos meant either learning complicated software like Adobe Animate or paying a freelancer hundreds, even thousands of dollars for a single project. Doodly changed that by offering a simple drag-and-drop interface, pre-made doodle characters, and the ability to export videos without much technical skill. Because of this, many YouTubers, teachers, small businesses, and digital marketers adopted Doodly. It became almost a go-to solution for whiteboard animations. But over time, the cracks began to show. Users started realizing that the library of doodles was limited unless they paid extra for upsells. The animations often looked repetitive, with the same hand-drawing motions over and over again. And perhaps the biggest drawback? The pricing. While Doodly starts at a monthly subscription, if you really want access to more characters, props, or assets, you end up paying a lot more, making it an expensive tool in the long run. In short, Doodly was groundbreaking at one point, but right now, many creators feel it hasn't kept up with the speed and innovation that today's content world demands. Okay? Now let's move to InstaDoodle. InstaDoodle is the new kid on the block, but don't let that fool you. It was built with modern creators in mind and comes packed with AI-powered features that completely change the game. Instead of spending hours manually syncing animations with voiceovers, InstaDoodle uses AI automation to do the heavy lifting. If you want to create an explainer video, you can literally choose a template, add your script, and InstaDoodle will auto-generate the entire doodle video for you. What makes it even more exciting is the library. Unlike Doodly, where many assets are locked behind expensive upsells, InstaDoodle comes loaded with a huge collection of ready-to-use doodle characters, props, and scenes across different niches. Whether you're making videos for education, marketing, social media, or sales. Plus, it integrates built-in AI text-to-speech with multiple natural-sounding voices and languages, something Doodly simply doesn't offer. And when it comes to rendering, InstaDoodle is built on new technology that allows faster exports in HD, which is critical when video quality can make or break audience trust. Another key difference is pricing. InstaDoodle is designed to be affordable, often offered as a one-time payment with lifetime access. No endless monthly subscriptions, no constant upsells. For small businesses, solopreneurs, or content creators just starting out, this makes it way more accessible and sustainable compared to Doodly. So here's the big picture. Doodly is the older and more established player that helped shape the doodle video market, but it feels like it's stuck in the past. On the other hand, InstaDoodle was built to address today's creator challenges like speed, automation, affordability, and high-quality results. And this sets the stage for our in-depth comparison of the two tools, okay? Now that we've seen the background of both tools and how easy they are to use, but the real question is, what do they actually offer? Because you don't just want software that works, you want features that save time and make videos look professional and remove the headaches. So, on the surface, Doodly and InstaDoodle seem similar, but when you look closer, the differences are huge. So let's compare their features side by side. So first look at their ease of use and user experience. So, Doodly, known for its drag and drop interface, it is fairly beginner-friendly. You can choose characters, props, and text and place them on the canvas. But here's the catch. Sometimes it feels a bit rigid. The library is decent, but when you want to customize hand styles or animations, it can feel limiting. Also, many users report that rendering large videos takes longer. Now, on the other hand, InstaDoodle takes simplicity to the next level. Its interface is not just drag and drop, but ultra-simplified, meaning you don't spend hours figuring out how to make things look good. The templates are pre-designed in a way that you can literally create a professional-looking doodle video in few minutes, without being tech-savvy. So, if you're a complete beginner, or someone who values speed, InstaDoodle feels smoother and faster than Doodly. So, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to grab it today and start creating professional quality doodle animations without wasting hours or spending thousands on other complicated software. Next, let's discuss about their animation and drawing styles. Doodly offers different hand styles like male, female, cartoon, and you can switch between whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard styles. However, most of its animations are based on simple drawing sequences. If you want advanced customization, like adjusting drawing speed or syncing with audio, you may need extra manual tweaking. But InstaDoodle comes with next-gen doodle animation styles that look more modern and engaging. It supports not only traditional whiteboard and blackboard, but also glassboard, greenboard, and also colorful backgrounds. Plus, the animations look smoother and more natural, which adds that pro touch. And the best part? You don't need to tweak much. It's ready-made. InstaDoodle has an edge here because its animations feel more polished and require less effort. Then let's look at their library of assets. Doodly comes with a decent library, but the base package can feel limited. To get access to the full range of characters and props, you often need to purchase add-ons or upgrade. This can make it expensive if you want variety. But this is where InstaDoodle shines. Right out of the box, you get access to thousands of doodle assets like characters, objects, scenes, icons, and pre-designed templates. These aren't just basic black and white sketches. They're colorful, modern, and tailored to multiple niches like business, education, health, finance, and marketing. So InstaDoodle clearly offers more assets without hidden upsells. Next, let's discuss about their customization and flexibility. Doodly lets you import your own images and audio, but it requires more manual effort to blend them seamlessly. If you want high levels of customization, you'll spend more time editing. But in InstaDoodle, it gives you built-in flexibility. You can change characters, backgrounds, add voiceovers, insert your own branding, and even export videos in multiple formats. It's designed for people who want professional customization without complexity. Then let's look at their speed and performance. Doodly's rendering can be slow, especially for long videos. Many users complain that exporting high-quality videos can take a significant amount of time. But InstaDoodle optimized for speed. The rendering engine is built to create HD-quality doodle videos in minutes without lagging. This makes it a huge advantage for marketers and content creators who need to push out videos quickly. Now, let's discuss about their support and community. Doodly has been around longer, so it has a bigger community and some tutorials online. However, official support can sometimes be slow, and many users have pointed out that premium upgrades are frequently pushed. But InstaDoodle, being newer, it offers dedicated customer support and step-by-step tutorials to help users get started instantly. Plus, the creators actively update the platform, which means new features are rolled out frequently. It offers more direct support and regular improvements. Okay? Now let's talk about one of the most important factors when choosing any software, the pricing. Because at the end of the day, you don't just want the best features, you also want the best value for your hard-earned money. So first, let's look at the Doodly pricing. Doodly offers two main pricing plans, the Standard plan and the Enterprise plan. The standard plan is priced at $49 per month and is ideal for beginners or small businesses who are just starting with video creation. With this plan, you get 1,164 character images and 1,620 prop images, and giving you a wide variety of visual elements to use in your animations. It also includes 150 royalty-free music tracks and 20 video templates to help you quickly create professional-looking videos without starting from scratch. Next is the Enterprise plan. It priced at $79 per month, is designed for professionals, agencies, or businesses that want the full range of Doodly's capabilities. With this plan, you get access to 3,959 character images and 33 4:1 prop images, a massive library that provides endless creative possibilities for any type of video project. It also includes 250 royalty-free music tracks, 40 video templates, and 70 fonts, giving you even more flexibility when customizing your content. Just like the standard plan, you can create unlimited videos and install Doodly on multiple computers, making it highly versatile for teams or agencies. Okay? Now, let's look at the InstaDoodle pricing. When it comes to pricing, InstaDoodle stands out from Doodly. InstaDoodle gives you a lifetime offer with just a one-time payment of $37. That means you pay once and enjoy unlimited access. No recurring monthly or yearly fees to worry about. With this plan, you unlock unlimited video creation, a drag-and-drop editor, over 1,000 Doodle elements, 150 AI credits, the advanced Doodle AI engine, and the ability to export full HD videos. On top of that, you also get free future updates and reliable customer support, and ensuring your investment keeps growing in value as the software evolves. Another huge advantage is that InstaDoodle offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means your purchase is 100% risk-free. If you create a video and feel the software isn't right for you, you can simply ask for a refund within 30 days. What makes it even better is that you still get to keep all the videos you created, even after getting your money back. That shows how much confidence the creators have in their product. In short, InstaDoodle combines affordability with peace of mind, a rare combination in today's software market. Now that you know the pricing and everything included, so if you want to try InstaDoodle, take action now. Click the link in the description below to grab it now and start making stunning doodle videos in minutes without the stress, high costs, or steep learning curves of other tools. All right? Now, while the price gives us an idea of affordability, but the true decision comes down to what each software can actually do for creators. Both InstaDoodle and Doodly aim to make whiteboard animation simple and engaging, but they approach it in slightly different ways. To understand which tool offers better value for your time and money, it's important to look at their individual strengths and weaknesses, okay? Let's start with Doodly. Here is its pros. First, it's very easy to use and drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners with no design or animation skills. Then it offers a wide range of hand styles, which makes animations feel more customizable. Then it comes with a large pre-built library of characters, props, and scenes, saving time for quick video creation. Then it has ability to import your own images and audio, giving you more creative freedom. Then it works both for business and educational purposes, making it versatile for different audiences. Now, discuss the cons. First, it has high upfront cost and recurring subscription fees, which can be expensive for beginners. Then, many premium assets locked behind upsells, meaning you may need to spend extra to access the full library. Then it lacks advanced customization features, so complex animations are harder to create. Then its exporting videos can sometimes be slow depending on video length. Then some users report that the hand animations feel repetitive after a while. And lastly, it has no lifetime plan, only monthly or annual billing, which adds to long-term costs. Okay? Now, let's look at its competitor means InstaDoodle. Here is its pros. First, it's very easy to use drag-and-drop interface that makes creating doodle videos fast, even for beginners. Then it comes with a wide variety of ready-made templates and saving your time and effort in video creation. Then it offers an extensive library of doodle images, characters, and objects to make videos more engaging. Then it's cloud-based platform, so no heavy software installation or storage space is needed. Then it has faster rendering speed compared to many other doodle software tools. Then it's affordable pricing when compared to alternatives like Doodly or VideoScribe. Then it provides commercial rights and allowing users to create and sell videos to clients, okay? Now discuss the cons. First, being a cloud-based tool, you'll need a stable internet connection to use InstaDoodle smoothly. Then it has limited offline editing. Unlike some software that can be installed on your computer, InstaDoodle doesn't offer full offline functionality, okay? So, after comparing Doodly and InstaDoodle, it's clear that both tools have their strengths, but InstaDoodle stands out as the better choice for most creators. While Doodly offers a familiar interface and decent customization, but its limitations like higher cost, fewer advanced features, and longer rendering times can be frustrating for users. On the other hand, InstaDoodle provides a more modern solution with AI-powered tools, faster rendering, built-in templates, and affordable pricing, making it ideal for beginners as well as professionals who want to create stunning whiteboard animations effortlessly, right? So, if you're serious about boosting engagement, saving time, and producing high-quality doodle videos without the steep learning curve, InstaDoodle is the smarter investment. So I've added the official link for you in the description below, so if you want to buy InstaDoodle and start making amazing videos today, just click that link below and get instant access, okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because it really supports the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss my future videos. And of course, drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.